See how to fix launching fail in Epic Game Launcher LS-0013 error code. Yes. First you go to run, and in this you need to type local app data. Yes. Type the local app data and click OK. Is this nothing but we need to clear the caches which are stored in the folders. So go to Epic Game Launchers and go to saved. Yes, click it, and you can see the web cache is there. So you need to delete the web cache. So don't panic; it will not delete your account or some files, important files. It's only delete the caches. So there is no problem for deleting the web cache. So after that, you need to go to Epic Game Launcher and check if it's still not working. Go to Windows Update. Sometimes if Windows are up to date, means okay. If it's uh, need to update, means we need to update it, and some pending files also causes issues. So need to update, and after go to become launch and go to properties, and here need to go to compatibilities. Here you can see the run the program as administrator. Need to click it, and need to disable full screen optimization should be in disable mode. Okay. Yes, after that apply and click OK. And after the next method you need to click the Epic Game Launcher. Yes, click and open the Epic Game Launchers and go to libraries. Yes, click library, and you need to check the Fortnite. Click the three dot icon and scroll down and go to manage. Yes, click it, and here you can see the verifying files is there. You need to click verify, and it's verifying the entire Fortnite files. If you have any issues, it will shows. Yes, we are checking the any files have issue. If the file have issue, means we need to delete the Fortnite and delete the folders in the Epic Game Launcher and need to reinstall it. Okay, so it's now verifying right now. Be patient for a few minutes. So it's completed. Yes, after completed, there is no issue. Then I need to launch it, and this is how to fix, and these are the methods to recover. After this, you need to restart your PC